You suck, Dawson.
You're about to get beat by a girl.
Come on, Ronnie, bring him out. Hey, come on, let's go. Bring him out.
No, we want one more.
Come on, Ronnie.
He should stay down.
Yeah, he should. Boo.
I'll do what I want, thank you.
Boo. Go back to Newfoundland. 2.
That was 2. How much longer are you going to drag this on, huh?
Yeah, it was 2.
Don't worry about yourself. I know
Don't worry about her, what I'm about to do.
Don't worry about him, Dawson.
Yeah, don't worry about yourself. Boo.
I know.
How dare you cheat in pro wrestling?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, Dawson. Knock, knock. Boo. I remember him from Pickle, though. Yeah.
Hey, watch the hair, Dawson. Come on.
Ronnie.
How much longer are you going to do this to yourself, huh?
Ronnie.
Oh, you don't like that, right?
No. You suck, Dawson. 1, 2. Yeah, kick his ass. Boo. Come on, show the muscles. Get him. Break him in half. 2. Let's go, Ronnie. Let's go, Ronnie. Come on, Ronnie. Hey, Dawson, get down from there.
Stay up there.
Dawson's Creek.
Oh, it's clever. She moved anyway. Try this again. Yeah.
You suck.
Yeah, you suck. Yeah, you suck. Go. Yeah, full. Thousands.
Ronnie.
Yeah, 3 times is a charm. You jump off there.